Greetings! Welcome to our platform. Today, we are voyaging into the realm of gigantic machinery, a sphere where superior engineering intertwines with tremendous power to accomplish what seems unattainable. Let's plunge into this exciting journey. First up, we have the P&H 9020 dragline, a heavy-duty excavator ideal for surface mining and large-scale excavation projects. It has a bucket capacity of 55 to 93 cubic meters, a boom length of 90 to 125 meters, and a maximum digging depth of 85.7 meters. The Menzi Mach M545 is a highly versatile and advanced excavator, specifically designed to operate in challenging terrains applications. It is equipped with a Deutz 4-cylinder diesel engine that has a displacement of 4,038 cubic centimeters, delivering 155 horsepower at 2,000 RPM. Mega 4 jaw cropper, used in construction and mining, offers sufficient material cutting with the following specs: 750 to 900 mm pile cutting, weights 1,000 to 1,500 kilograms, made of high-strength steel, 200 to 300 bar hydraulic pressure, and compatible with various excavators. The Kobelco SK1300 DLC is a 130-ton demolition machine with a maximum reach of 40 meters, designed for large-scale demolition projects. Let's see how easily it destroys this structure. The bucket wheel excavator Rainbron 256, a world-renowned giant excavator, was primarily used in coal mining, primarily at the Garzweiler open-cast lignite mine in Germany. Operated for 4 decades, it remained operational until its decommissioning in the late 1990s. Let's shift gears and explore some deep-sea mining techniques. It extracts minerals from ocean floors at depths of 200 to 6,500 meters. Back on land, the Volvo L120C, equipped with a sharp tip for car demolition, features a 201 horsepower turbocharged engine, 41,520 pounds operating weight, and a 5 cubic yard bucket capacity. This is a cat hydraulic excavator with a net capacity of 311 horsepower and an operating weight of 36,200 kilograms. Surprisingly, the machine can still operate even when flooded. Ideal for construction projects, the 150 TPH stationary crushing plant is capable of processing 150 tons of raw materials per hour to produce high-quality crushed stone, sand, and aggregates for various applications. The Real Steel Limited Long Reach Excavator is a heavy-duty pile driver designed for applications requiring large excavation areas and great depths. With a payload of up to 270 tons, this excavator delivers high performance and reliability in large construction. The Liebherr R9100 is a large excavator with a 5.5 cubic meters bucket, capable of loading Bell B50D trucks with 50 tons. This combination optimizes performance for large-scale material handling in mining and construction. The Cutting Head Woodcracker C550 is the biggest machine of Westex Woodcracker C series. The lug grapple cuts trees with a diameter of up to 55 centimeters with ease. Let's see it removes overgrown trees from a former shelter belt of an orange grove. The P&H 4100 AC mining shovel is a large electric excavator capable of moving up to 108.9 metric tons of material per load. With a 67.6 cubic meter dipper, it can reach a cutting height of 16.8 meters and dump material at a height of 9.5 meters. This forging process utilizes 100-ton hammers to shape steel at high temperatures. Open die forging occurs between 900 degrees Celsius and 1200 degrees Celsius, while closed die forging takes place at 1000 degrees Celsius to 1200 degrees Celsius for precise shapes. The XCMG XGC88000 is a powerful crawler crane with an 880-ton lifting capacity, up to 108 meters boom length, and 132 meters maximum height. It features advanced control systems and safety features, ideal for large construction and infrastructure projects. The Deckelman 80-feet land roller features an 80-foot working width, 24-inch rollers, and hydraulic folding for transport. It's designed for efficient soil preparation and compaction. Convoy Brame specializes in transporting heavy and oversized loads. The Rotorday 274.8T refers to a large rotor weighing 274.8 tons, requiring specialized equipment and logistics for safe transport.